Think debt is just part of life or that you need a credit card to survive. Wrong. Today, I'm exposing the 7 biggest debt myths holding you back and busting them wide open. Stick around because these myths are costing you big time. Myth number 1. Debt is always bad. Myth number 1. All debt is bad. Here's the truth. Not all debt is created equal. While high-interest debt, like credit cards, can be dangerous, other types, like low-interest student loans or mortgages, can be tools to build your future. The key is to use debt wisely and avoid letting it spiral out of control. Myth number 2. You need debt to build credit. Next up, you need debt to build credit. This one gets repeated all the time, but it's simply not true. You can build credit without carrying a balance by paying your credit card in full each month, keeping your credit utilization low, making on-time payments on things like utilities or rent. Some services report these now. Debt-free credit building is not only possible, it's smarter. Myth number 3. Minimum payments are enough. Myth number 3. Making the minimum payment is fine. Let me show you why this is a dangerous trap. If you owe $5,000 on a credit card with a 20% interest rate and only pay the minimum, it could take you over 20 years to pay it off, and you'd end up paying thousands in interest. Always aim to pay more than the minimum. It's the fastest way to crush your debt. Myth number 4. Bankruptcy ruins your life forever. Let's talk about a heavy one. Bankruptcy will ruin your life forever. The truth? Bankruptcy is a tool designed to give people a fresh start. Yes, it impacts your credit, but it doesn't mean financial doom forever. Many people rebuild their credit within a few years by making smart financial choices. If you're drowning in debt, don't let the fear of bankruptcy stop you from exploring all your options. Myth number 5. Debt collectors can do anything. Myth number 5. Debt collectors can do whatever they want. False. Debt collectors are actually bound by law. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, protects you from harassment, false threats, and illegal tactics. Knowing your rights can save you a lot of stress when dealing with collection calls. Myth number 6. Consolidation always solves debt. Here's one I hear all the time. Debt consolidation is the ultimate solution. While consolidating debt into a single payment can help, it's not a magic fix. If you don't address the habits that got you into debt, you could end up in an even deeper hole. Debt consolidation is a tool, not a cure. Use it wisely and pair it with a solid budget. Myth number 7. It's impossible to live debt-free. Finally, the biggest myth of all, it's impossible to live debt-free. Let me tell you, it's not only possible, but thousands of people are doing it every day. It starts with a mindset shift. Believe you can, create a plan, and stick to it. I paid off my debt, and you can too. The key is to take action and stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. There you have it, the biggest debt myths debunked. Which myth have you believed in the past? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear the truth about debt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.